Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to get information of an unknown number. So let's start. First, open Google Play Store. Now search for Truecaller app. This app is completely free to download. So download it and open it right now. Whenever someone saves an unknown number with a name, all other users of Truecaller will see that name whenever they get a call from that number. And that's how people get information about an unknown number. So let's check out some examples. Whenever you open the Truecaller app, your call logs will open. And here you can see this is my call log. And some of the numbers from this call log is not saved on my phone. Now let's check out this number. I'll just call on this number by tapping on the phone icon on top right corner. And here you can see name not found. That means no one has saved this number on Truecaller. Now let's check out the information of that number. Although we cannot see the name, but there are some additional informations we can see. If you tap on the contact icon, you will see that the location shows Bangladesh. You can also add a name and add a tag to this number, and everyone else on Truecaller will see that name whenever they get a call from this number. Now let's dial a number. Now when I'm dialing this number, you can see the name pops up. And it also shows that this number is identified by Truecaller. The location of this number also shows. And that's how you can get details of a number from the Truecaller app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.